What is up, YouTube? This is Zach from Airsoft Life coming at you with an evike unboxing. So here's my box. Let's get to it. We got my trusty dandy knife here. So let's unbox this. So I got a couple things here. So yeah. Put my knife down. Alright, so first glance, you got the classic evike tan paper there. You pull this out, take it on. Alright, so I'm so pumped here. Let's open this little package here. So, I know what this is. These are my cool things I got. Let's just, I don't know how to open this. Yeah, here we go. We're doing good. Alright, this is a small unboxing, but well worth it. We got two patches here. First patch here, American flag, full color, and just basic American flag patch, Velcro. Nice patch. Then this patch I don't even know what this really means. It says, come and take it. But I just got this because it's really cool looking. It's got a good old M4 on there. Come and take it, tan. So yes, my lower mesh mask. It's the tan and camo. It's a great, awesome thing here. I finally got good headgear. I used to just use a paintball mask. And ever since I got my helmet, I thought, what the hell? Why don't we get some good gear? So let's put this on for you guys. See how this fits. That looks good. Fits good, guys. You know. I mean, really form-fitting, like tight. That's good. So. Mind my hair. Just took to a pool party. So, alright. So as you can see, so far we've got the 3 patches and the mesh. Now my favorite final thing, the goggles. They're supposed to have 3 extra lenses in here. Comes in this nice package. Nice carrier. It's kind of weird how to open. Oh, it opens right up here. That's just the handle mechanism. Okay. So first, got 2 extra lenses. So we got a black lens, which I'll probably be using, and a yellow lens. That's awesome. Alright. And then, did we get an order from them? Oh yeah, we got a little order from there. Alright. Oh, beauties. The G&G. G&G goggles here. Oh. Oh, yeah. So I want to see what these are. I'm going to tell you everything I got by the next thing here. Alright, so we got Roscoe Come and Take It Velcro patch. Check. Matrix Iron Face Carbon Steel Desert Camo Lower Half Mask. Check. Matrix Velcro IF Flag Patch Regular. Check. G&G Tactical Multi-Purpose Full Sealed Goggles with 3 lenses. Boom. There's the goggles. There's 3 lenses. There's 2 extra lenses. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see the... Nope, can't see that. Okay. thanks for watching, guys. I'm so pumped. I got that stuff. So, yep. Comment, rate, subscribe, and look out for some more unboxings. Thanks for watching.